subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update.
Hello friends, today I made a new tutorial. This tutorial has MIUI 10 you update and mm, some features added this MIUI 10 on your Redmi Note 4 and Note 5A and all Xiaomi device. Friends, first you update this MIUI 10. Okay, you not update, follow my description. My another video you update on YouTube. Simply watch this video and update easily update on your Xiaomi all device. Update MIUI 10 and last then you check your all big feature added on MIUI 10. Friends, let's go now. Friends, now check this some MIUI big feature. Friends, first this change your recent shortcut. Friends, this recent shortcut is big change and its look is very good. Okay, this your simply your recent shortcut and tap on your recent any shortcut and quickly open your shortcut, and this look is very good and big update for Xiaomi Mi, Redmi Note 4 and all devices. Okay friends, this next feature is slide up and animation search icon. As you can see, this slide up and show open this is your search icon page and Google search page. Okay, this Google animation page. And next feature is a slide your taskbar. Okay, this all taskbar and notification bar is change your MIUI 10. Okay, and some feature added that example you this chicken taste fish bits. I do not know this feature is work. Okay, and some another changes. Okay, then your slide up down and nearby. Okay, simply tap this nearby and turn on Bluetooth and location. Okay, this update is added this MIUI 10. Okay, and next this your check train PNR. Okay, no another app install, simply this MIUI 10 and easily check your PNR train PNR status. Okay, and next your this update is network system. Okay, before this 4G and VoLTE, then this update is not for VoLTE and 4G and show HD. Friends, next update it on your MIUI 10 this security system is animation look. Okay, this is look is very good and nice look. Okay, simply tap and your scan cleaner this all system is changed but not cleaner is not changed. Okay friends, security scan is good changing. Okay, then tap on security scan and this security scan is animated and look is very good. Okay, and all save your everything looks is good this security scan. Friends, next feature is a test network. Simply tap on a test network and easily your network speed you check it. Okay, just tap on test network, then you may message your turn network on first. Okay, now I turn it my network. Now again security and text network, and then your technician speed it message your speed low and normal. Okay, then this connector is network is normal. Friends, next update your audio format. Okay, simply tap on tools and click on your sound audio recorder. Okay, and click on your setting tab option and scroll down and click on your MP3 format. This update is MP3 recording format, AAC, WB and MP3. Choose your sound recording quality. This is update is MIUI 10. Friends, next update sound system status bar. Simply tap on your volume up and down button, and this volume taskbar and volume bar is this new look on your MIUI 10. Okay, this silent and DND. Okay, and this status bar is changed, this MIUI 10. Friends, next update this folder animation. Simply on your any folder, tab on and close this app, and then animation your folder. As you can see, tab on my Facebook and close this animation Facebook. Okay friends, next update on calculator. Tap on your calculator and calculator, converter and montages, three option. Okay, then you're scrolling this option, this tab on and change your signed calculator and normal calculator. Okay, then click on this converter currency length area. Simply on your currency and Indian rupees, USD and euro, this convert, and motor is this option is added on calculator for MIUI 10. Next update on your Redmi Note 4 and MIUI 10, this note. Simply click on your note file option, simply tap on this note. Okay, and this option you added this audio recording and note added your voice, and you talking your voice and automatically recording and added on your note. Okay, this is big update on your this note file and audio system note. And next updates your notification status bar. Notification, simply your messages, any notification, and tab on your this any notification bar and show your all details, this notification message and WhatsApp message, Facebook message. Simply arrow and details show your notification status. Okay, and next update on your MI browser. Simply open your MI browser and this recent shortcut look is very changed. Simply tab and new page, this is look is changed. Okay, this MIUI browser, this recent and new page, this look is changed. Friends, I hope this some MIUI 10 future you see, and I hope you enjoy it. Friends, I request if video you like, please like, comment and share, and don't forget subscribe. Thanks for watching.